This is day 4 of my new slime series where every time I make slime, I am doubling the amount of shaving cream that I use. And on day 4, we have 8 shaving creams.
Our friends at Barbasol sent us a huge package of over 1,000 shaving creams, so it's crazy. This is only 8 cans. We've got a long way to go in this series and plan on going all the way up to hundreds of cans. This might be the last time I can hand mix a slime because it is just way too tiring and honestly takes forever, especially when we have this much shaving cream. After 45 minutes of mixing later, our slime came out fluffier than ever and might be the jiggliest slime we've ever made. Stay tuned for part 5 where we add 16 cans of Barbasol shaving cream.